Hello there guys, and welcome to another video on Sepa channel. Today we're going to unbox the RGB floodlights from MEIHUA or MEIHUA, whatever the name is. It comes in a pack of 2 and obviously it's gonna have a remote. We're going to unbox it, and pretty much for general knowledge you can use them either inside or outside depending on what you wanna achieve as a result. Let's see what we have inside the box. First things first, we have a remote which has quite a few functionalities. So you have the standard colors, and then you have the intensity here, turn it off, turn it on, and quite a few more options in there. It's quite small. I like it, so it's gonna be easy to put it somewhere when you're not using it. Let's see what we have next. This is the second remote, because each floating light is gonna have its own remote. The good part about it is that you can obviously select different colors and carry like some sort of a different mood. Let's put them aside. Some bolts. Obviously this is if you're going to use them outside or even inside, if you're going to fit them somewhere in a wall or something like that. Obviously you can use different bolts if you want, so, or different screws if you want, depending where you're going to mount them. So this is the floodlight itself, the unit. Well, I guess the look of it's pretty standard. It's pretty much what you're gonna find anywhere on the internet. I guess that will make sense. And you need something so you can unscrew this one.
Okay.
Actually, you can move it like this also, and it still moves. The good part is that it's gonna hold the position. And I'm quite curious about the cable, because unfortunately the cable itself is not too long. I think it's 1.2 meters or something like that, not even, most probably. How much we have here? Yeah, about 1.2 meters. So regarding this, you may want to consider how long you're going to have the cable, or some sort of a socket somewhere where you're going to put them. So yeah, keep this in mind, obviously. Let me finish unboxing them. And let's see where we can test them.